In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play background music in Zoom. If you want people in your Zoom meeting to hear music clearly, the good news is that it's very easy to set up. The key is to share the audio directly through Zoom instead of just letting your microphone pick it up from your speakers. That gives everyone better sound quality and makes the music much easier to hear. Start by going into your Zoom meeting. Once you're inside the meeting window, look at the bottom of your screen and click Share. When you do that, a new window will open, and this is where you choose exactly what you want to share with the people in the meeting. From there, select the screen or the app where your music is playing. This could be something like Spotify, YouTube, VLC, or any other app or browser tab you're using for audio. Make sure you choose the correct window so Zoom shares the sound from the source you actually want people to hear. Before you continue, take a moment to look at the options in the share window. On the panel for screen sharing settings, make sure share sound is checked. This is the most important part because without it, participants may be able to see what you're sharing, but they won't hear the music properly. You may also see an option called Optimize for Video Clip. This one is optional, but it can be helpful if your music is coming from a video, especially if you're sharing something from a website or a media file that includes visuals. It helps Zoom handle video playback more smoothly while keeping the sound experience better for viewers. Once those settings are ready, click Share. At that point, your selected screen or app will be shared into the meeting along with the computer audio. Now simply play your music. As soon as it starts, the people in your Zoom meeting should be able to hear it through the shared audio. If you want the best results, it's usually a good idea to keep your music source ready before sharing so you can start playback smoothly without delays. And that's it. That's how to play background music in Zoom. As long as you share the correct window and make sure share sound is enabled, the setup is quick and straightforward. If you're using music from a video source, remember that the Optimize for Video Clip option can help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.